Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S938B/DS is a remarkable addition to Samsung's flagship lineup, showcasing a blend of cutting-edge technology and premium design. With its spacious 512GB storage and robust 12GB RAM, this smartphone is built to handle everything from multitasking to high-resolution media consumption seamlessly. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is its stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display. The resolution is brilliant, boasting vivid colors and deep contrasts that make everything from gaming to streaming a visual treat. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and enhanced responsiveness, making it a delight for gaming enthusiasts. The camera system is nothing short of extraordinary. Equipped with a versatile quad-camera setup, including a 200MP primary sensor, the S25 Ultra captures images with incredible detail and accuracy. Low-light photography is significantly improved thanks to advanced night mode features. The zoom capabilities are exceptional, allowing users to capture distant subjects without losing detail. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting 8K resolution, which is a game-changer for content creators. Performance-wise, the S25 Ultra runs on Samsung's latest Exynos or Snapdragon processor, depending on the region, which guarantees lightning-fast speeds and excellent battery management. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, and the fast charging feature gets you back to full power in no time, enhancing the overall user experience. The factory unlocked feature offers flexibility for users, allowing them to choose their preferred carriers without being tied down. The device runs on One UI, Samsung's user-friendly interface that adds an extra layer of customization and efficiency. The design is sleek and modern, featuring Gorilla Glass Victus protection and an aluminum frame that not only enhances durability but also adds a touch of elegance. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S938B/DS is an exceptional smartphone that caters to the needs of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike, making it a worthwhile investment.